just gonna do it. Wait, you're cooking without me? You're supposed to just be talking to the camera and stuff.
She said you told her to cook.
Oh, and then
What are you doing?
what?
We didn't even do an introduction to the video.
And then
Why are you moving the camera?
what?
That's, wait.
I'm making
Hold
it.
on. Hold on. Do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Talk about it.
Okay. So we have 2 cups of flour, water, and corn flour, salt, and another corn flour. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Put flour first.
Okay. Yes. That's the lady's supposed to come with the. Wait, her brother is the guy
If there's still one, tap, 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 tap.
Yes.
And another.
How does that?
Oh, she lives with him?
Oh no, she said you could. And another cup of flour once that's a little more. Still add it.
Oh, just put it on the floor.
She can't come with us.
Okay, keep doing what you're doing.
I'll just clean it. Oh, it's off.
Don't touch it. Wait until
It was off.
Oh, they have okay.
Okay.
If nobody has symptoms.
Oops, I accidentally.
That's crazy. Oh, dang, so COVID is still. Wow. I can't believe it. Oh,
Okay.
that's.
Don't touch it. Don't
Then it was off.
It's not off. It's just you can't see it. It's just it's a slow mo, so that's why. Once you touch it, that's.
How is she gonna do that? She's gonna do it. Wait, you're cooking without me? You're supposed to just be talking to the camera and stuff.
She said you told her to cook.
Oh.
Okay, I heard that. Now this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is where it gets real. We didn't even do an introduction to the video.
And then
Why are you moving the camera?
what?
It's not even. Okay. That's wait.
I'm making
Hold
it.
on. Hold on. Go behind it. Go behind it. Do you see my face?
No.
Fix it so you see my face. No. This. Can you see my face?
Yes. No. No. Okay, yes. I can see your face.
Okay. Hello everyone. That was just a test run. This is the face
Hi.
of unhappy mother. Stop! Don't do that. Okay, now I gotta do it again. Hello everyone. That was just a test run. We're here about to cook. If you don't know who this is Afro Millennial Mama, and I currently live in West Africa, the country of Senegal, with my daughter and my husband. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Yassine.
Every now and then we do a cooking video, and so
We're making arepas
today we're making arepas. Very good. Why are we making arepas?
because we want to eat arepas and we don't know what it is. I never tasted it before.
But how do you know about arepas if you don't know what it is? What country are they from? Do they eat arepas in? What movie did they have arepas in? Say it to the camera.
Encanto!
Alright, so they eat arepas in Colombia, and I've been to Colombia, so it's something that that will take me back to when I was. So I don't know how to make them, so we're just gonna try it and then we'll see what happens. All right. Stay tuned.
Subscribe to this channel, please.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
You ready? Say hi to the gentleman. He's a cook helper cook. What they call those? I don't know.
Somebody turn this on.
I do that. Now we got the flour here. We're gonna mix it with the water. Very, very little salt because too much salt is not good. I don't even think I can see myself on the camera. Move. Let me fix it. Okay. So, can you move? That's where I'm gonna stand. No, you're in front of the camera. Your whole head is blocking the camera. Move over this way. Why you gotta be up close? Move over that way. The other way. Where the bowl is. Right there. Perfect. You might.
Is it right?
Yes. So I'm confused right now. I think that I got the wrong ingredients. So I'm looking for all the different types of flour because of course it's in French. So I'm not sure. I had some pizza dough mix, but I'm gonna try to mix with whatever I have and see if it actually mixes right. We never give up. We're gonna make it better, but just maybe not today.
Maybe tomorrow or tomorrow.
We gotta go to the store and find out. We go to all the stores and find out.
It's like jelly. Oil jelly. Oil jelly. Oil jelly.
Okay, let's see if this. Okay, look. Look at this. So it's doing some kind of bubbling thing.
Maybe that's how it's supposed to be.
Maybe the bubbling is what we need.
Maybe.
All right, let's see. Let's get our hands dirty. Ready? Eating this out. I don't know if this will make a difference.
No, still liquid. Get to a little like dough.
No. Show me the camera. Turn around.
It's like milk race. Woo! Milk
By the
race.
way, the camera's taking. There you go. Do it.
Milk race.
Okay, we're gonna dance. Ready? So we will never have arepas, at least not today. This did not work out. So obviously
We just tried.
I have the wrong ingredient. We just tried. We tried. We tried to use what we had, and that's what all we're gonna do. That's how we know corn flour is not it. So we need to find probably cornmeal because I've eaten arepas before, and I think they're made with cornmeal instead
I
of
never eat arepas before.
You haven't?
No.
All right. Well, that was a somewhat of an attempt at a cooking video for
I
you
really
guys
want to
today.
eat arepas because I don't know what arepas taste like.
They can't hear you.
Oh!
Not that loud.
Oh. I never know what arepas taste like. I really want to eat it.
You want to eat it because of Isabella?
Isabella. I'm gonna like Isabella. Isabella.
All right, you're funny. The camera loves you. Okay, so this is the end of the video for today, but we will be back. We will make these arepas. I just have to find the right ingredient. If you know what the right ingredient is and how to say it in French, please, por favor, s'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît, let us know. So we'll be looking on the hunt for the right ingredient. I think that's it for today. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat.
I really want to.
I know, but things
Oh, we
happen.
can just make a pizza.
Okay. Yeah, so we're done in the kitchen for today. We'll figure out what we're gonna do, and we will see y'all next time.
Bye.
Peace out.
Bum, 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 pew, pew, pew.
Go.
So we have some cup of water. And also my homework.
Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.